Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if a tax return was accepted or not. You can do this by checking your refund, right? So there are two ways to do this. You can check by online, and the second way is to call the support team or visit the location or the offices near your location. So first, to check your refund, you need to know what's your SSN number or basically IGN number, right? And here it's very easy. You have to just go to Google and search where's my refund IRS. And here you will get this link here, where's my refund Internal Revenue Service, right? You have to just click on it. Once you click on it, you will be redirected here, where's my refund, and you will get an option to check your refund, right? And it will load for a few seconds. So as you can see here, it will ask your SSN number, social security number here, the tax year, the filing status, and the refund amount, and just click on submit. Right, if you're using a phone, there's also option for the phone. As you can see here, you have to go to the RAS to go mobile app, tools, and document upload tool. Use the document upload tool here. Just click over here. Now you can see, just click on OK, again click on OK, and here documentation upload tool. So just click on yes or no depending upon whatever you're uploading, accessored, and just click on next, and you can just upload it there, right? And here, once you have done that, the third step, which I have already informed you, that you can just call IRS at this number, right? This number I have mentioned here, you can just call them and they will help you with it. Now check with your tax preparer. So if you're using a tax preparer, contact them for the confirmation, right? So you can just following the steps, you will able to know how to check if a tax return was accepted. How I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.